Before we talk about the insurance policy, let me briefly introduce Zurich. Zurich Insurance Group was founded in 1872 in Switzerland. It has more than 150 years of experience in the industry. Today, Zurich operates in over 200 countries and has around 60,000 employees worldwide. In Malaysia, Zurich offers many types of insurance and takaful such as life, medicals, motor, travel and also saving plans. They also provide Sharia-compliant takaful for customers who need it. Now, let me introduce the insurance policy that we will present. The policy called Z Travel Insurance Domestic and Inbound, and it provided by the Zurich General Insurance Malaysia Berhad. This policy designed for people who travel within Malaysia, whether they travel alone, with friends, or with family. This policy also protected by PDIM, so consumers can feel more confident when they purchase it. Every year, many people travel around Malaysia. Some go for holiday, some visit family, and some travel for work. But sometimes, unexpected things can happen, such as accident, sickness, flight delays, or trip cancellation. Because of that, Z Travel Insurance help to protect travelers before their trip, during their trip, and also after they return home. With this policy, people do not need to worry too much about the money when something bad happens during their trip. They can travel more peaceful because Zurich is there to protect them.
Okay, for the next part, I will explain the schedule of benefit for Z Travel Insurance by highlighting two benefits from each section. First, under section 1, personal accident cover. The policy covers accidental death and permanent disablement with a maximum sum insured of up to 50,000 ringgit for the basic plan and 1,000 ringgit for the VIP plan. Another benefit is accidental medical expenses, which provides coverage of up to 5,000 ringgit for basic plan and 9,000 ringgit for VIP plan. Next, under section 2, travel inconvenience cover, one key benefit is travel cancellation, which provides coverage of up to 2,000 ringgit. Another benefit is personal liability, which protects the insured against third-party claim with coverage of up to 5,000 ringgit. Lastly, under section 3, COVID-19 benefit, the policy includes travel cancellation due to COVID-19 with coverage of up to 2,000 ringgit. It also covers medical expenses due to COVID-19, providing protection of up to 5,000 ringgit. That's all from me.
So next, I will explain the premium rates for Z Travel Insurance, which are divided into basic plan and the VIP plan based on travel duration and coverage type. For trip lasting to 1 to 5 days, the basic plan starts from 9 ringgit for an individual, 18 ringgit for individual and spouse, and 24 ringgit for family coverage. For the VIP plan, the premiums are slightly higher, starting from 11 ringgit for individual, 21 ringgit for individual and spouse, and 28 ringgit for family. For 6 to 10 days, the basic plan range from 12 ringgit to 31 ringgit, while the VIP plan range from 50 ringgit to 38 ringgit depending on the type of coverage. For travelers who need a longer stay, each additional week up to 8 weeks is charged at 7 ringgit to 18 ringgit for the basic plan and 9 ringgit to 24 ringgit for the VIP plan depending on the coverage type. Next, the additional premium for Section 3, which is the optional COVID-19 benefits. For trips of 1 to 5 days, the additional premium starts from 4 ringgit for individual, 8 ringgit for individual and spouse, and 10 ringgit for family coverage. For 6 to 10 days, the additional premium ranges from 5 to 13 ringgit depending on the coverage type. You need to know that all the premiums shown are excluding SST and stamp duty.
Hi, if you are planning traveling solo or with family and friends, travel insurance gives great option to give you peace of mind throughout your journey. This travel insurance offers simple and easy coverage, so you can focus on enjoying Malaysia's beautiful destination without worrying about unexpected situations. First, it's provide personal accident coverage, which offer financial protection if an accident happens during your trip. Next, there is accident medical expenses coverage, helping to cover medical costs if you get injured while traveling. Z Z travel insurance also includes liability coverage, which protects you if you accidentally cause injury to others or damage property. In addition, travel inconvenience coverage helps cover issues like trip delays, cancellation, or lost belongings, which can sometimes happen before or during your trip. For golf lover, there is also golf equipment coverage, giving protection if your golf equipment is lost for damage. Lastly, you can add optional COVID-19 cover for extra protection and reassurance. To conclude, Z Travel Insurance protect you every step of the way, allowing to travel around Malaysia with confidence and peace of mind.
So now, I'm going to briefly explain some important insurance exclusion. Basically, these are situations that the insurance does not cover. First, everything related to war is not covered. For example, if you travel to country that involved in a war and you get injured because of it, the insurance will not pay for your claim. Next, pre-existing medical conditions are also excluded. For instance, if you already have asthma before you buying this insurance and you get sick during your trip because of it, the medical expenses will not be covered. Then, the policy does not cover epidemics or pandemics except for COVID-19 benefit under Section 3. For example, if you cancel your trip due to a disease outbreak, that is not covered. You won't be able to make a claim. Besides that, dangerous activity like mountaineering above 3,000 meters are also not covered. So, if you go mountain climbing at a very high altitude and get injured, the insurance will not cover the accident. In conclusion, that's really important to understand this exclusion before buying the travel insurance, so you know exactly what is covered and what is not.